Lovelies, you're welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you this delicious Ayamase Ofada sauce. I'm going to give you the best way to prepare this. You're going to save money, save time, and you know what? It is super delicious. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. What you can see in this pot are the meat I'll be using. I've just added salt. I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add ginger. Yes, they are healthy and you will love the result, my people. It's just to boil the meat. I've just added fresh thyme into it and I'm just adding this seasoning mixture. After that, I'm going to add the normal seasoning, which we call Maggi Okno. Add it into it and it's now time to add black pepper. Shout out to you all my returning subscribers. Thank you for your love. I know we are both enjoying ourselves. Enjoy the recipe and thanks for your love. Thank you so much. So now let's cover it and bring it to a boil. What you can see here are the green bell peppers I'll be using. I have this other small green peppers as well. And I'm going to use green pepperoni. Everything has to be green. If you have green habanero, add it to it. And what I'm going to add is this small ones we call shombo. It is a bit spicy and I want it spicy. I've added it. And I'll be adding this onions. I have those onions. Blend it roughly. That is my roughly blended green pepper. To save money and time, get your sieve, pour everything into it and allow the water to drain. As you're watching this, please remember to leave the comments. Remember to give me thumbs up if you love it. Now look at what we have and look at the liquid we sieve out of it. Now let's move and check our meat. Look at the meat. It's boiling in its own juice. Now I've added some water and I'm just going to mix it a bit together and cover till it gets done. Yes, this one is done. Look at the pomo. Look at this babankano, shaki, chicken all together. Now take them out of the meat stock and that's our meat stock. We keep it for later use. Now in another pot, gonna pour palm oil into it. I'm just going to heat it up and fry those meat. This is optional. If you don't want your meat to be fried, you can use it just like that. But if you're frying it, remember to add some onions into it to boost the flavor and you will love the aroma. So fry both sides and make them to be golden brown. After frying, you take them out of the palm oil. Remember to share this video and save it for later so that you will not miss it whenever you are ready to cook your own super delicious Ofada sauce. So into that very oil, that's where I'm going to add the well-drained green pepper. Yes, that is it. You remember the oil is flavored and it is already bleached. Now fry it down. Once the water reduces a bit, now add your dried prawns, dried fish. Let it continue to fry together as early as possible. So what I have here is my diced pomo. Yes, diced pomo for mouth side, bite size. So I'm just going to continue to fry under low to middle heat. You can see how the water continues to reduce. Now it's now time to add salt. I'm going to add seasoning into this. I'm going to add crayfish powder. What I have here is what they call Iru. If you have it, add it. If you don't have it, no wahala. But you will love the aroma and the taste. And I'm now going to add this, my fried meat and meat stock. The remaining meat stock, you can keep it for your jollof or for any other things. Add as much as meat stock you want and make sure you fry it until the water dries out. I've just added boiled eggs into this. Allow this egg to drink pepper. You know what you would do? Just make sure that you just give them the slides on them so that they will have a place to start drinking pepper. Let it muta. Muta is what they call it. So I'm just going to allow it to fry till it gets to my consistency. Loveless. This is what we have. Do you have Ofada rice? Cook it. But I'm going to just rock it with the kind of rice I have at home. Have long corn rice and this Ofada sauce. My God, it is so quick because we remove the water in it, and the taste is super delicious. Make sure you try this with this kind of palm oil we used and the way we boil the meat. Give it a try and let me know how much you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.